Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video today. I want to talk about two things. First of all, I want to talk about three growth stocks that I think you're going to want to buy now. Okay, the macroeconomic conditions are favorable for you. Even though you may believe the Fed is tightening, there are other countries doing the exact opposite. Japan is now easing. This is very important because now US companies have access to cheaper money. They can borrow much easier. The easing of Japan is causing sort of the start of a turn, a U-turn, because when the US fully U-turns, conditions are going to be very favorable. There's going to be a landslide upwards. So let's get into my top three growth stocks. All right, guys, so here we go. I'm going to get into the top three growth stocks. Before we begin, here's my portfolio. I was buying over the week a little bit. Over the month, I told you guys in my last couple of videos what I was buying. So go watch those if you want to see. I was buying a lot of the NASDAQ on that weakness. And I'm not really looking to buy next week because I don't know how good things are going to be. Things are looking pretty hot right now. So over the year, a lot of buys on that dip, down 15.89 on the year, down 6% overall, mainly because of all the trading I did up towards the peak of the market. So we're going to go ahead and get into my top three growth picks here. And these are stocks that I really want. I think they're going to boost people's portfolios in the next year. Starting with Snap. At an extremely low price, in my opinion. I bought a little tiny bit here last week. I'm looking to get a lot more by earnings, and I want to increase the value of the stock that I have here. As you can see, my lifetime performance on it, I've traded it a lot, but here I'm just holding it. And I think the next earnings is going to make it spike. All three of these stocks, Square is the next stock, are very close to profitability. Here you have my lifetime performance on Square. This stock is so close to profitability, and so is Snap, and they bring in billions of dollars. The next earnings could cause a massive spike on these stocks. Imagine if these stocks go profitable. They're high growth companies in the infancy of their growing. I think these growth plays can really help your portfolio out, especially during tough times. The last one, Dutch Bros. High growth US restaurant company, has a lot of growing to do. So close to profitability. And this next earnings is going to be massive for this stock. I was buying this stock this week a little bit. So those are the three growth stocks that I picked. We got Snap, Square, and Bros. I'm outperforming the S&P 500 now after last week. I was buying a lot last couple of weeks of NASDAQ, and I'm hoping on the upside I can beat out the S&P 500. So those are the three growth stocks. So even if the economy is slow, I think they can grow a lot. So I mentioned in the beginning about Japan and the easing. The Bank of Japan has started a new program. It's a lot like the US's. So they are printing money and they are buying bonds. So this is balance sheet, not reduction, but I guess production. They're adding bonds to their balance sheet. They're putting liquidity into the system. And like I said before, this easing and cooperation that has to be done between countries, um, it's clearly taking an effect. So the first thing that we're going to talk about right now is the value of the yen is going up and the value of the dollar is going down. Even though Japan is easing, the value of the yen is actually going up because the pro-growth policies in Japan are causing investors to invest more in the yen. So people, they're getting stimulus money, so to speak. This is just an example. If US investors got stimulus money and they put it into the dollar, so that's what's causing the yen to go up. And this gives them more purchasing power, which allows their purchases on US stocks to do more damage, so to speak. The second thing is that, Japanese people are really confident in their market, pro-growth policy, right? So they're going to want to invest, just like if the Fed started printing money and wanted growth, you know, we would start investing in stocks. So it has a ripple effect. So there you have it. Those are three different stocks, growth stocks that I like right now. I also touched on macroeconomic policy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.